Hello, how are you guys doing? So today I've got the coaster done. It's quite simple. It's pretty much the exact same as the other border, but it's just, instead of doing the 4 leaves, I just continue with the picots? I'm not sure. You guys can tell me what you think, how that should be pronounced. So I've got one of these flowers still, and we're going to get the yarn for the mint, the green, in the 5.5 millimeter hook as usual, and your needle and the scissors. And this is going to be pretty quick. I'm just going to do a standing stitch again, just like the rest. So I'm just going to, if you want to see in more detail how to do this, you can go check out the other video. I'm going to assume you already know how to do these stitches at this point. So I'm doing the 3, chain 3, single crochet, and a chain 3, another single crochet, and don't grab the yarn, and then 3 single crochets in the chain space, and then single crochet at the top of the stitch, 3 chain stitches, and a single crochet. And so you can either, in this one, I just left the single crochet out, and the single crochet 3 chain space picket out of these corners. You can do that as an optional thing. It kind of looks cute, but I had missed. I'd done it by mistake in the one corner, so I just undid it and finished off because it was close to the end. But since I'm going to make this one match, I'm just going to go in and do 3 more single crochets, 1, 2, and 3 more single crochets in the space, 1 single crochet in the top of here, and now I'm going to do the leaf just like the other one. So single crochet, double crochet, a triple crochet, and a double triple crochet, chain 3, 2, 3, and turn that into a picket. Still have to tell me. Of course, I've recorded all these videos ahead, so you guys will have to describe it in the, whether it's picot, we'll say that's option number 1, or picket, which doesn't seem right. It's probably picot. So picket or picot. And we'll do a triple. 1, 2, 3, and a double, and a single, and then a single in the space, or the top of the stitch, and then 3 singles in a chain space, and again 2, 3 chains, and another single crochet in the space. I forgot to pull out a little bit of extra yarn because for whatever reason it keeps getting caught up on itself. So you just need 4 of these. You can do whatever you like. You can make three of these and have an extra, or 2 of them maybe, and have an extra, have 3 leaves instead of the 2. You got lots of options. You can have a leaf all the way around if you like. It would be a large coaster as it is. I've got my empty coffee mug. See, it's a fairly large coaster as it is, but I have a fairly large coffee mug, so it actually would fit that one quite well. So, and I need some more coffee apparently. 1, 2, and 3. And 3 again. And 1 in there, and 3 chain, and 1 single crochet again, and then 3 chain, or 3 single crochets in the chain space. And let's see, yeah, it's 4. So 1, 2, so another single crochet in the chain space. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and a single crochet, 3 more single crochets in the chain space, 1, 2, and 3. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So now, keeping with the rest of the pattern, we're going to single crochet in here, single crochet in the chain space, double crochet in the chain, blah blah blah, double crochet in the chain space, triple crochet in the chain space, double, triple, and 2, 3, and 4, and 3 chains, and do a picot. I think I'm going to settle on that one. I'm not sure. Let me know. And now again, it's a double or a triple crochet, not a double triple, a triple crochet. You could, if you wanted to, of course. You would give the leaves more of a, you wouldn't give it that little bit of a turn that they have. And that was a double crochet and a single crochet. And now another single crochet and 3 single crochets. 1, 2, 3. And another single crochet in the top of the, getting all caught up. There we go. Ooh. Off the camera stand. So 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. And single crochet in the same space. And now 3 single crochets in the chain space. 2 and 3. And the very last single crochet, a picot, 2, 3. 3 chains and a single crochet, and then 3 single crochet in the chain space, 3, And use your favorite method for finishing off. And there you go. You have a coaster. You can, of course, any of these things, you can pin them, and you can block them down if you like. I'm not going to worry about them. Like I said, the blanket's going to be for me, and the coaster is just going to be for me. If I was selling it, I probably would block them and steam them so they'd lay nice and flat, because they kind of do a wavy thing going on, but I kind of like it. So, and of course the leaves point off in the opposite directions. So if you liked the video, please give her a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and all that kind of fun stuff. Share it out to your favorite social media platform, and the pattern will be down in the description, and I hope you have an absolutely wonderful day. Bye.